How to replace the air-fuel ratio sensor, or as known as oxygen sensor, on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. Now you'll need a special oxygen sensor tool, which is I believe a 7/8, and that will look like here. Now if you don't have one, go to the auto parts. I paid $13 for this particular one. Don't think it'll show. That's the little number I have on it. I went to O'Reilly's to get this one. Now I have another one here, but it's not cut as deep, so when you go to buy one, make sure it's cut like mine is, because I have one in the garage. I tried using it, but since this oxygen sensor here has a metal end, the other tool I had wasn't cut deep enough, so I couldn't really fit onto it. So basically, to remove the oxygen sensor, you might want to spray lubricant on it. This tool here, it just fits right over the actual sensor itself. Then here, it fits there, and you want to take a ratchet, whatever size yours is, and go ahead and break it loose. Now the wire for this one here goes, just kind of follow it, and it goes right to here. That's for the air-fuel ratio sensor. Now there's another one too, so you got a total of two, one here and you got one down underneath. I'll go ahead and go underneath. Don't know how well I can show it, but I'm underneath, and here's the front of the car this way. It's right there, and you can see, I don't know if you can look at it, but you can follow that wire, and it's not really hard to do. I just did this one yesterday, but mine was kind of a pain in the butt. Mine was on there really tight. I even had to take an impact to it. So what I did here, I turned the wheel to the left and had a really long extension and just kind of go between the frame and the sway bar of the vehicle enough where I'm out of the car over here, took the impact to it and broke it loose. Then I was able to take it off the rest of the way with the socket and the ratchet on it, because I didn't have much room. I don't know if you noticed that underneath here. Sorry for all the movements, but you don't got much of a play between the oxygen sensor, the heat shield, and the sway bar itself, which is this black bar that you see that's rusted. It goes from one end of the car to the other end. And what I did here, my engine light was on saying about the oxygen sensor. I replaced the front one and it didn't work out. Didn't take off the code. So what I recommend, yes, they are a bit pricey. I think there's like $180 a piece for it. If you're going to replace one, might as well replace both of them. That's what I did here. Replace this one here and the one down on the bottom. So hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.